to be honest, I could say the boxes look really amazing. All my customers actually gave me good reviews, and it's really good. It fits perfectly and looks really good material, and everything looks really nice. I actually like the design on top of my box, and it gives like that nice touch of it, but literally itself, I could say the box really looks so nice, and all the sides actually look really perfect, and everything is the way I just wanted. When I open the box, most of it, what I like about the box when I open it, it's sorry, it's this part. It has like that nice touch. I'm not sure if that was your idea or someone else, but this is really nice touch of it, and actually liking it myself. Honestly, I'm looking forward for purchase some more boxes from you, because you did really outstanding job. All the communication with you was so nice. There was no any setbacks. All the deadline what you promised to me, you actually met it. There was little minor issue with the delivery driver, but that's nothing. It's apart from that, that's nothing. But you really did a great job, and you did a good judgment when you actually delayed a little bit when you told me about there was something to do with the quality because of the material need to be dried. But anyway, you did a really nice job, and I could say all the best things, and I'm looking forward to actually purchase some more boxes from you. It was really nice, and I couldn't wish for any better outcome. Thank you so much for your help, and to be honest, I think company needs to give you some pay rise or something, because you did really brilliant job. Thank you so much.